Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this gorgeous wig that I received from Kriyya. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. The wig came with a headscarf as well as a wig cap. So the wig that I'll be working with today is a 28-inch 5x5 body wave HD lace closure wig. The wig does come with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. So I ended up bleaching the knots on this wig off camera. Now that the knots have been fully bleached, it's time to get rid of some of that extra density along the hairline. To do that, I'll be doing the Beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. So now that I'm fully satisfied with the hairline, it's time to tint the lace. Because this lace is transparent in HD, you want to make sure that you customize it to match your complexion. To do that, I'll be grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. I have one that is the color of my foundation, and that's going to go along the hairline because that's going to be right on top of my foundation, so it has to be a perfect match. And then the second one that I'm going to grab is a lighter color, which is going to mimic my scalp color. So I'm going to do 2 layers of the lace tint, and then I'm going to blow dry in between each layer. Now that we're finished with the closure, it's time to cut this wig. I'm going for lots of volume and lots of body. So this is one of those hairstyles that's going to take some preparation before even bringing the scissors into the equation. So I want to make sure that I start by taking my first section. I am grabbing a diagonal section of hair, and I'm just going to start by parting it diagonally from the forehead on backwards. And I'm going to do the exact same thing, taking the exact same portion of hair on the other side of the wig so that we can have a uniformed haircut. If you notice, because the 2 are in diagonal lines, it is now creating somewhat of a triangle, and that's going to be what I am going to use as a guide for the rest of the parts or sections that I'm going to create throughout this head so that my layers will be uniformed. I hope that makes sense. I can show you guys better than I can explain it, but basically I'm going to take my rat tail comb, and the comb is going to be pointed towards the ceiling, and my scissors are going to be pointed straight down, and that's going to help me get a real steep incline because I want these to be very deep layers, and I want to go for a very short fringe in the front that's like super reminiscent of the 70s, and I want that to be very fluffy and flowy. So I'm going to start off with the first section with that initial cut, and then I'm going to move to the second section, and then I'm going to go to the third section, and so on and so forth. because we're going for those beautiful 70s flips, I wanted to make sure that I started the layers near my eyes, so, and then gradually get longer. I wanted to make it an exaggerated incline so that I can have bangs and a fringe in the front, and it's perfect. So now that we're fully satisfied with the cut, it's time to style this hair. The first thing that I'm going to do is wet the hair. I don't want it to be soaking wet, but I want it to be damp. So next I'll be grabbing my top secret product for getting the most volume and body on limp or thin hair. Mega Full Thickening Lotion by Garnier Fructis, and this is going to give me thicker and fuller hair with lots of body and volume. The next product that I'll be using is BioSilk's Silk Therapy Serum, and this is going to give me that beautiful, healthy looking shine after we blow dry this hair. So I'm going to style this hair in sections. The first thing that I'm going to do is section it off. I'm going to grab a thin slice of hair. I'm going to repeat the same steps by spraying it with water and then applying the thickening lotion. And then I am going to make sure that it's evenly distributed through each section. In order to get the mega volume and the beautiful body from the 70s, I'm going to have to blow dry and curl this hair at the same time to get that effect. If I would have done this type of hairstyle on dry hair, it would not have come out as thick. I'm just going to use the barrel and use my hands to manually wrap it around the air wrap. And of course, the air wrap is blow drying and curling it at the same time. So now that we're all finished pinning up the hair, it's time to cut the extra lace off. I did allow the hair to fully air dry overnight because some areas weren't fully 100% dried, and I just wanted to make sure that I allowed the curls to set and for all of the hair to fully dry. On to the fun part. It's time to remove these pin curls. I'm just going to grab the 2 bobby pins and release the curls to a beautiful spiral curl. I'm going to repeat that for the entire head, and then it's going to be time to install this wig onto my head. Okay, so today I'll be using Got2b Ultra Glue Gel in the black tube, and I will just be applying that to the center of my forehead. I love closures because you do not necessarily have to adhere them down with any type of glue, tape, or gel. And if you do decide to use a glue, tape, or gel, you don't have to use it on your entire hairline, just the middle portion of it, which I love. So yes, I have been loving closures lately in comparison to a frontal. So I'm just going to put my headscarf on and allow it to set for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish styling this hair. So to finish styling this wig, I'm just going to finger comb through the curls, and then I am going to grab a wig brush, and starting from the bottoms on up to the top, I'm just going to brush through this hair. And of course, because we blow dried it and we use that Dyson air wrap, the curls are going to be voluminous and beautiful and flowy, and it's going to give us that fresh out of the salon blowout look. It's going to give us that 70s modern Farrah Fawcett look. It's going to give us that big, beautiful bombshell Victoria's Secret hair that we've always wanted. I know I've always wanted this type of hair, and we would not be able to get the same effect if we didn't cut layers into this hair. So of course the layers just took it up 15 notches, And I feel like this is my favorite wig ever. Like, I love this wig. I love it. I love it. I'm going to be wearing this wig everywhere. It's just the bombshell hair that I dream of. As you can see, I'm clearly obsessed with this hair. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let's chat down below. Where would you wear this hairstyle to? Would you wear it to a New Year's Eve party, a Valentine's Day brunch? Where would you wear this wig to? Let's chat down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig that I'm wearing and to Kriyya, which is the brand of the wig that I'm wearing, down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for all of the links to this company. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell down below if you have not already. And I can't wait to see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.